Okay, hey guys, I'm with Joy, and this time we are at my house, not hers, and we are going to do the no burp drinking challenge. So what you gotta do is one of us, one at a time, we gotta rub each other's back, and to see who has the most burps. Person with the most burps counted wins, and Joy's gonna go first. Joy can't burp. Okay,
Ready?
Okay, I don't exactly know how to do this, so I'm just gonna, do the simple rubbing. You ready, Joy?
Sweat. Ready?
Yep.
Go.
Pat instead.
Nope, rub. I think it was working. No, I just like the back rub. Nope, keep rubbing. I think the shoulders might help.
Joy.
I'm getting
If anything, it's right here.
It's okay, baby.
Uh-oh.
Oh no, I thought something was coming. I was getting excited because, I can't make myself burp, so this would be pretty
30
cool.
seconds.
Come on, make me burp. This one.
Trying.
I can't burp.
15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I'm just kidding.
My turn.
I don't burp. That's my problem.
I don't think I'll be able to burp either. If I do
Ready?
burp, it's probably
Set,
from nervousness.
I don't burp.
So if I even make one burp, I win.
Mm-hmm.
Don't forget the pats, Joy.
Ow!
I pushed the refrigerator. Did you see that? Joy, watch this.
Wow. Maybe we should get food after this. Wait, we're recording. I forgot that. Ew, did you fart on me?
No.
Okay, I thought you
I
farted.
thought I'd burp.
What?
Ow, it hurts.
I know it does.
Come on. I can't do it. Stop patting. That hurts.
It doesn't help. The camera can see you trying.
I did it.
No, you didn't. Cheater. So,
I can't do it.
so neither of us burped.
So now we're gonna try to drink something.
You know I can't burp, period.
Yes, you can.
Oh my god.
With some carbonation.
So now we're going to drink liquids and try to burp. Okay, so
Here you go. I've been drinking pickle juice. It really makes people burp.
then get the pickle juice.
But we have 2 pickles in it. So, what are we gonna do? Throw the pickles?
No. Ah, okay, you know what? First we gotta try to drink the pop. To drink the pop, we got ourselves some Pepsi Cola. Diet Pepsi. My who's teeth are pale.
That's fine. I'm serious.
Excuse her. Okay, chug, 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 chug. No, keep drinking, keep drinking. You have to drink till I say stop. No, keep drinking. I told you to drink till I said stop. Okay. Ready?
Yep.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
That was a burp.
7.
I can't do it. Oh, I burped again. That was
Nope, that one.
Oh yeah, did you hear that?
8.
I can't do it. I can't do it. Oh yeah, I can't do it anymore.
Keep going. You got 12 seconds. 10, 9, 8,
Oh yeah, I got it.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Time's up.
Okay, so now it's her turn.
She had about 9 burps, but she can also breathe in and make herself burp. So you know what?
And I don't know if that actually counts. But if it doesn't, then I only got 4 burps. 5, my bad.
It shouldn't count. Okay, we're going with 5. She has 5. I gotta beat 5. Let's do this,
I don't
Joy.
think that's gonna do it.
Okay, now.
I know how a timer works, Joy.
Yeah, 5, 6, 4, 7. Okay, now I have to chug this while you do that.
Guess what? Okay, you ready, Joy?
Gotta rub my back. Come on, let's go. Oh no, it might work. Rub, don't pat. Rub, don't pat. More pop.
If I could have had more pop, I would have gotten some more. Come on, Joy.
Come on, Joy.
I was hoping maybe that would push your stomach.
Oh, you're gonna make me puke, not burp.
You're covering the camera.
Oops. Oh, it's coming, I know it is. I can't burp. Oh, that's not part of the diagram.
You mean program? Come on, Joy.
Yeah.
Go. Come on, Joy, you can do this. You can do this. 5, 4, 3.
Oh, come on.
Come on.
I just don't burp.
Ooh, ooh, I win.
It's just not part of me. I don't burp.
Okay, so we have done the no burp and I guess no drink burping challenge and the drinking burping challenge, or if that's even a thing. And so we are going to finish off this pop and comment another challenge, and we will do it. Thank you. Bye bye.
No challenge is too hard.